Today's Friday Find, we are here at one of my favorite places in Des Moines, the Grateful Chef, where you can stock up on all of your amazing, delicious, healthy meals. I am here with Brandy and John from the Grateful Chef. And if you have not had a chance to come down to the Grateful Chef, you have to check it out. This place has personally saved me so many times because Lord knows I cannot cook to save my life. Fortunately, Brandy is an amazing chef and she has shared her talents with all of us. We can come in. They typically have a freezer full of meals that you can pick up at your convenience. Perfect for those busy weeks when you don't have time to cook. Somebody has a new baby. Food is always great to deliver, and I would not want to put them through having my food, so I come here. So thank you guys so much for having us. Do you want to talk a little bit and tell us kind of your story and how you got started and why this place is so awesome?
I'm Brandy, I'm the chef, and this is John, my partner, and together we run the Grateful Chef, and we've been doing this now for 10 years. It's been a progression over that 10 years. It started out as me cooking for friends out of my house when I was a stay-at-home mom 10 years ago. I had 2 little children at that time, and I had friends come to me and they were just not making it to the kitchen, so they asked me if I would just make extra of what I was making for my own family. So I said, sure, why not? And that kind of, then they said, could you do that for my neighbors, for my friends? And all of a sudden it's like a light bulb kind of went on with me, and I was like, maybe this is a thing. Maybe people really do, you know, need help with home-cooked meals.
So, John, what has been the most surprising thing about having this space here? Has it been kind of interesting to see how many people like me rely on you guys so often?
Absolutely, yeah. And it's been, you know, you always think when you're in business and you move to a new location it's a little off the beaten path, are people going to follow you there? And we've been blown away by the support, by how many people not only followed us to the south side, but also all the new people that have come from that.
Yeah.
And just, you know, how we're so passionate about what we do. This is how we can help the community and bring good food to people's homes, and so you don't have to eat out every night if you don't want to, and expand the horizons of what you've tried also with food. You know, Brandy does an amazing job of taking the food that you know and putting a fun spin on it. A lot of ethnic food, a lot of regular Midwestern down-home food, very healthy, very fresh. Everything we do is made from scratch. So, yeah.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for having us here today.
Yes, thank you.
I will be sure to put all of their contact information into the links below so that you can get on their email list. I believe every Friday does your menu come out? Every Thursday
yep.
Your menu comes out, and then you have until Monday to order it so that you can pick it up on Wednesday. We just are so lucky to have you guys here in Des Moines. So
thank you.
Thank you.